Well, hi, thanks for joining us here today at Hunt Club Nissan. Let's take a look at our 2016 Ram 1500 Sport. This vehicle features great options like remote keyless entry, Bluetooth, cruise control, air conditioning, the Sport Appearance Package that gives all of these great looking features. You can see right there, like that whited out grille, those nice little louvers. You got the nice projector headlights here at the top with nice halogen high beam, and then down below you're going to see you got your fog lights. Beautiful set of what appear to be wow, these are 20-inch alloy wheels with disc brakes all the way around, the tire pressure monitoring systems. You can see you got nice privacy tint there for rear passengers, and we move around to the rear of the vehicle right here. You can see beautiful looking dual chrome tipped exhaust. You got a 7-pin and a 4-pin wiring harness built in your trailer hitch. Now as I open up the rear tailgate here, bring that down, you can see you got tons of room, and you've even got that beautiful rhino lining sprayed right in, so no damage is going to happen to this guy. As we move over to the driver's side of the vehicle right here, we're just going to go and take a nice quick look. You can see short cab, long box, lots of storage space, perfect for someone that's either using this for work or the guy who just needs something to tow with and a little extra space for when you're getting up to the cottage. Now, right over here, you can see you got all your automatic window buttons. Your lockout buttons are right there. You got a set of nice automatic headlights there as well, too. And you can see that's going to be your button there for your box light. This right here is your nice 6-way adjustable driver's seat with your leather out exteriors and then nice sport cloth insets. So we open up the rear right here. You still get a ton of room. Now, it is the shorter cab, but that doesn't mean that we're cutting down on comfort for rear passengers here as well. So you can see they get much of those same appointments. And then, of course, they've even got a power plug there for any of their extra devices and some cup holders. Sitting behind your beautiful leather-wrapped steering wheel here now, you'll notice that on the left-hand side are all your audio system and voice command controls and your information system controls. Actually, the audio system's in behind the steering wheel. It's kind of neat. Other side right here on the right here is going to be for manual gear modes, and then of course all your cruise control functions. All of your wipes are built into that left stick, and you can see right here that you have got tons of kilometers left. This has got 91,329. It's just waiting for you to put on the rest. So move over here into the audio and climate control area. You'll notice that you have heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. Over here you can see with your shifter, right? It's nice, easy to use. It's just a little turn knob for park drive and everything like that. And you can see you've got your 4-wheel lock, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel low, all there, easy to access on that knob. Up above into your Uconnect or your system right here for your audio system, you'll notice that you've got USB auxiliary, Bluetooth, and even an SD card slot for media to listen to. Bringing on the radio right here, you can see you've got AM, FM, and Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity, your U app. That's going to bring up things for your mirror dimmer, as well as things like your climate control settings and all your other settings there as well. Here's the cool thing about this. You can actually bring up climate, and you can have a full touchscreen controls for all your climate control. I think that's super awesome. Makes it really easy. I'm just muting the music so it's easier to hear me. And then as well, too, you can see your recirculator and air conditioning systems are all set up in there. And lastly, you even have 115 volt AC adapter just built right into the area right there. A couple of easy spots here to put your phone and have it rest and make it easy to access, and then into the actual center armrest, which just trying to open here with one hand, is going to be where all of your connectivity options are located. That's going to be your auto-dimming rear view mirror. Just behind that, a spot for your garage door opener with those home link functions. That's going to be the button for your rear window to open, and that's going to be what your lighting controls look like. One last thing to show off here is going to be your key. Now you can see we're going to hit that lock button twice. Going to hold down this twice, and then we're going to start up your truck. That's right, your Ram Sport's equipped with remote engine start. And that's our 2016 Ram 1500 Sport, available here today at Hunt Club Nissan. The showroom's open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturdays, and we're always available online at huntclubnissan.com. My name's Jason. Thanks for joining me here today, and we look forward to seeing you in the showroom soon.